Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save split video in Clipchamp. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one video that you want to edit. Now here you can see there is a split on the video like this. Now edit the video however you want to edit it. You can again add the split on your video like this. And now to save the split video, simply tap onto the share button right here. Then choose one video quality that you want to add to your video. Then here you can find the option of save video. Simply tap on it. Now go to your gallery and here you can find the video has been saved to your gallery. And that's it. This is how you can save the split video in Clipchamp. It is a very simple process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.